How to turn off repost on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. If you click on share button, you'll find repost option. To simply turn off the repost option, click on your profile located at bottom right. Then click on three lines at the top right. At the bottom, click on settings and privacy. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on privacy at the top. After you click on privacy, scroll down and you'll find repost. I have no option in my recent, but you will find this kind of screen pop up as I have added the image. If you want to turn off, simply make sure there is off option in repost and then you're good to go. This is how to turn off repost on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.